One of the first videos I did for this channel was a look at the internals on this Star Wars Nerf Han Solo Blaster. And because it was one of the first videos I did, it's really basic. It's very shaky because I was holding the camera at the time. And now I've got this ring light and a nice white cardboard back. I thought I'd revisit it just to give you a full look at the internals of this. So it's just a standard Nerf drawback pistol with the magazine in there for the darts. Pull it back, charge the spring, push forward, pull. There it is. Half of the slide is held by a screw there. So that can come off the painting. See how loose it is as well. See, it's not because the screw is loose, the screw is tight. It's just the body itself that holds it. So anyway, that off, and there is the body itself. So let me see what comes up first. Now, just seeing that spring there goes under the barrel to the other side. So let me see what we can get off, if anything wants to come off. It might be firmly stuck in place. Oh, there you go. Give that a pull, that comes out. So there's the firing mechanism. Again, it's a nice one piece. What was that? Ah, that's what that is. See, when you push it, put that down. When you push that, it's a, put that down there. There is the tube that can now remove its spring. Tube is connected there. There you go. There's an O-ring. Let's take the tube off. Remember that part of the hole is where the other part of the firing mechanism goes in there. Take that to one side. And when you pull this, that is all one piece. That's interesting. And now it won't go in because of, see that safety block down there? Remove that. There you go. So there's a safety mechanism down there. So what I'm going to do next is, see this? That is actually connected to the top of that slide. And in order to get that slide off, I have to take off these two screws. And these screws are a lot shorter than the screws that make up the rest of the barrel, but that's okay. Get that removed. It comes, so there's nothing holding it there, but what is holding it is just up here. So we push that out. So there's the other side free, which holds the entire scope. Okay, I'm pulling the entire barrel mechanism and magazine mechanism together. You can see the one spring holding both parts there. When I push these out, barrel's going to come out. There you go. Here is the magazine and feed and barrel safety, all as one unit. Put the darts in there. So these feed lips at the top, which are organised by that spring there, and this is just held in by some pressure at the front. And if I take this off, the spring will come over those two parts that hold it in place. And again, there's no clips, nothing. You can just slide off this, just like that. And then the two feed lips come off. And then you can also remove the magazine to get to the spring. And then if you want, you can take it off the front as well there. Just like that. So there it is, just in pieces. And that to come out. And that clip comes off as well. And these are, look at that, I've forgotten. On the Stormtrooper blasters that I do, you can cut these with a hacksaw right flat. On these you can't, because they've saved on plastic by not fully filling it with plastic. That's there. That's the body. That's the safety. It's now locked down. Interesting. There it all is. So there you go. There's the internals of a Star Wars Nerf Han Solo Blaster, finally done properly after about 4 years. Sorry for the wait, and thanks for watching.